Good morning. Good morning. Good morning. Good afternoon. Good afternoon. Good afternoon. Good evening. Good evening. Good evening.
Goodbye. 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 Good night. Good night. Good night. Bye. 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 See you. See you. See you. See you later. See you later. See you later.
I'm very sorry. I'm very sorry. I'm very sorry. Are you okay? Are you okay? Are you okay? It's all right. It's all right. It's all right. I'm fine, thank you. I'm fine, thank you. I'm fine, thank you. Open your English book at page 4. Open your English book at page 4. Open your English book at page 4. Read page 4. Read page 4. Read page 4. Don't close your book. Don't close your book. Don't close your book. Open your notebook. Open your notebook. Open your notebook. Draw a house. Draw a house. Draw a house. Write your first name. Write your first name. Write your first name. Don't write your last name. Don't write your last name. Don't write your last name. Listen. What's this? Listen. What's this? Listen. What's this? Look at your teacher. Look at your teacher.
I've got an exam tomorrow. I've got an exam tomorrow. I've got an exam tomorrow.
Good luck. Good luck. Good luck. Happy birthday! Happy birthday! Happy birthday!
I've got a new job. I've got a new job. I've got a new job.
Congratulations! Congratulations! Congratulations!
I can't go out tonight. I can't go out tonight. I can't go out tonight.
Never mind. Never mind. Never mind. My mother's in hospital. My mother's in hospital. My mother's in hospital.
I'm sorry to hear that. I'm sorry to hear that. I'm sorry to hear that.
My sister's got a place at university. My sister's got a place at university. My sister's got a place at university.
That's great! That's great! That's great!
Did you know the answer? Did you know the answer? Did you know the answer?
Did you buy any clothes? Did you buy any clothes? Did you buy any clothes?
Did you call your friend? Did you call your friend? Did you call your friend?
I didn't have a shower. I didn't have a shower. I didn't have a shower. I didn't go to work. I didn't go to work. I didn't go to work.
I don't play golf. I don't play golf. I don't play golf.
That phone isn't cheap. That phone isn't cheap. That phone isn't cheap.
We haven't got a car. We haven't got a car. We haven't got a car.
My parents aren't old. My parents aren't old. My parents aren't old.
My husband hasn't got a job. My husband hasn't got a job. My husband hasn't got a job.
What is your address? What is your address? What is your address?
Where are my keys?
Where are my keys? Where are my keys? Why is your grandmother in hospital? Why is your grandmother in hospital? Why is your grandmother in hospital?